Adobe Lightroom price 101, Lightroom and Photoshop bundle price. The pricing for Adobe Lightroom varies depending on the subscription plan you choose. Here are the details. Lightroom, 1 TB, this plan is priced at $9.99/month and includes 1 TB of cloud storage, allowing you to edit photos on any device. Photography, 1 TB, plan, at $19.99/month, this plan includes Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, Photoshop on desktop and iPad, and 1 TB of cloud storage. Additionally, there are annual prepaid options available, such as Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 1-year subscription, offered at $119.88/year from retailers like Best Buy. These plans are designed to cater to different needs, whether you're a professional photographer in need of comprehensive tools or someone who's looking for cloud storage and accessibility across devices. Remember to choose the plan that best fits your workflow and budget. Question: is Adobe Lightroom free? No, Adobe Lightroom is not free. It's a paid software product offered by Adobe as part of their Creative Cloud suite. However, Adobe does offer a few options. 1. Paid subscription. The most common way to use Lightroom is through a monthly or annual subscription. 2. Free trial. Adobe offers a 7-day free trial of Lightroom, allowing users to test the software before committing to a subscription. 3. Lightroom Mobile. There's a free mobile version of Lightroom with limited features available for iOS and Android devices. While it offers some basic editing capabilities, it lacks many of the advanced features found in the full version. If you're looking for free alternatives to Lightroom, there are some options available, such as GIMP, Darktable, or Raw Therapy. These offer similar functionality but may have a steeper learning curve or fewer features compared to Lightroom.